Hello, we are free from COVID in Spain. We are a group of people from different fields, from medicals to epidemiologists to education, tourism, uh, people with long COVID, people who have children with long COVID, a very wide mix of people. And the thing that unites us is that we would like to have a change in strategy from going from mitigation to elimination in Spain. We're not in any political group, and our proposals is outside any ideology. In fact, many people have different thoughts about politics, but it doesn't matter. It started as a small group, and it has been growing consistently. Now we are around 70 people, maybe 100 if you count the people who are interested in the news. Mm. There are people from all the different regions in Spain. Probably we haven't really counted, but from many different places in Spain. Our goals are to try and make it possible to have a zero COVID strategy in Spain. We would like to be able to communicate that possibility to a big number of people through different venues, different newspapers or televisions or whatever. And we would like to bring into the public conversation the need to use ventilation, good use of masks, distance, and so on. And ultimately, we want to take our proposal to the administration. We haven't done that yet. We have tried going through the press first, with not much success, by the way. Limited success, let's say. So far we have appeared in televisions and newspapers, national and the local level in the regions in Spain, in the autonomous communities, as they are called. We have produced a document, a 7-page document with the signatures of more than 30 professionals that are aligned with this proposal, both in Spain and some of them outside Spain, international. We have created a web page. We have a web page in Apropedia, which is called apropedia.org/zero-COVID. We started running the Zero COVID Challenge, which was an idea on Twitter to ask for 20-second videos saying why you would want to see a Zero COVID strategy. The next steps that we want to take is to keep telling the public about this with advice and recent news. Very importantly, to keep pushing our manifest, our proposal in the media, and we want to increase the collaboration with other groups, like in education or in ventilation and filtering. There is an association for that in Spain. And we want to make contact with other agents that can have some societal influence, like unions or church or religion groups or whatever. The difficulties that we are finding is that people are very tired. They want to see this in the past. We also want to break the myth that zero COVID means more restrictions. In fact, it would mean less restrictions. The administration seems to be not facing this possibility that we are trying to put forward, and the general consensus is that the economic interest is more important than achieving health. That's what we think. That may be a matter for a conversation. We need many people who are effective, and it's very complicated to find people who will work with us, because it's actually hard work. Okay, so that's the what we have to say so far. Let's see if it works.